When you visit Transwest in Limon, our goal is to provide you with the country hospitality that the Colorado Eastern Plains were built on. It has been our priority since day one to build strong relationships within the Limon community and make sure that each customer leaves 100% satisfied. The 22 team members that we have here at Transwest Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram are all here because they want to be here. Sure, it's a job, but there's a difference between a job and a place that you want to work at. These individuals are very dedicated to ensure the highest quality of service in our parts, service, and sales departments. We can do a nationwide locate. We can go all the way from Maine to California and divert that vehicle in here for your specific needs. In other cases, we can sit down together and you can actually build your own vehicle and watch it go through the process and actually get built and delivered here to the store. If you can't come to us, no problem. We can bring the dealership experience directly to you. Test drives, appraisals, final paperwork, we can come to your home or your business and finalize your transaction.
Hi, I'm Chris Coleman, Service Manager for Transwest Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram in Limon, Colorado. I've got 19 years of automotive experience, and my top priority for you is to deliver exceptional customer service to everyone that walks through our door and to get you back on the road right. We've got 10 automotive bays with 5 factory-trained certified technicians with all state-of-the-art equipment to make sure we get your car fixed right the first time. We know your time is valuable. We do offer a valet service which will deliver a loan car to you and pick your vehicle up. And while we have your vehicle, we'll get it cleaned up, washed, and ready to go and deliver it right back to you. That way life is back on the road. Our certified service department welcomes all local businesses and members of our surrounding community for safety inspections, maintenance, and consultations. We know out here in Limon, Colorado, you're always traveling. You're always on the go. We do offer immediate diagnostics for any travelers and any problems or concerns that happen to arise while you're traveling, so please come see us.
Hi, I'm Dan Cochran, Parts Manager at Transwest of Limon. With a comprehensive inventory of Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram parts and a staff with a combined 50 years experience in parts, we are here to meet your parts and service demands. In the event that we should not have the part that you need, in most cases we can have that within 24 hours. We stock a variety of parts. Most of them are Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, original equipment manufactured to meet your car specifications. We do have accessories. We stock almost all maintenance items and again many repair items. Everything that we look up is VIN specific, so we know for a fact that that part fits your car. There's never any discrepancy in that. As far as our timeline goes, as long as it's something that's stocked in the Chrysler warehouse in our PDC, we receive deliveries every night, overnight, so the parts are here the next morning when we arrive. Anything that's further out than that, depending on the customer need, can be anywhere from 24 hours on a special handling order or on a standard order. If the need is not that great, it's 3 to 5 days.
Being involved in the community is something we take great pride in at Transwest in Limon. We look forward to meeting you, showing you around the new facility, and supporting you throughout the years.